Hey guys, Beast again from Geek Guys, and today I am as excited as जिस दिन मैंने Z Flip 3 खरीदा था, because it is another of my dreams come true, because I've just got and bought the iPad Pro. So this is the 11-inch one. This is not the full fat 12.9-inch or 12-inch one. So this one काफ़ी सारे reasons हैं इसको buy करने के लिए, because this is actually quite big enough. आप box से ही हिसाब लगा सकते हो कि how big is this, and on top of that वो थोड़ा expensive है. It is like almost 30,000 more for the base model of this. This is only the Wi-Fi model. मैंने 5G या 4G के लिए जाने के लिए नहीं किया, because I don't want it. Actually I have Wi-Fi and it's all good. काफ़ी सारे reasons है, I'll tell you in this video. But first, let's just unbox this box of dreams. So Apple की तरफ जाने का मेरा plan इसलिए था because I am eventually going to buy a MacBook Pro, if it is not clear as of now. So MacBook Pro के साथ you can use this as a sidecar, and again the Apple ecosystem, I would say कि it's good to be in the Apple ecosystem if you already have one or two products. So definitely that was also an option for me. I was very confused. I was literally so confused with this or Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. S8 Plus almost मैं buy करने वाला था, but I somehow restricted myself for not buying it, and instead I bought this thing.
24 hours later.
Oh, come on, don't test my patience. Okay, here it is in all its glory, and yeah, okay, it's quite squared off and everything. This is in the space gray one. Let me just keep this to the side. ज़्यादा कुछ हमें मिलने वाला है नहीं, but it has Type C. Thank you Apple for giving us Type C finally. This has the 20-watt adapter and the Type C cable, C to C. That is again really good thing that कि Apple finally किन थोड़ी चीज़ों के लिए तो at least provides us the Type C. And we should also have Apple stickers. Yeah, we have these Apple stickers, the big one. क्योंकि phones के साथ हमें छोटे Apple stickers मिलते हैं and I don't like it. So this is officially going to be my first Apple product. I know I've already bought the iPhone 12, but my sister is using that. और tablets के साथ मेरा इतना experience नहीं रहा है. I had the MI tab. Let me just get that. So the tabs that I have used, ये है MI pad जो Apple iPad mini के टाइम पे आया था. This was the tab and it's fairly in a very good condition, but I have not used it that much, और strictly it is now almost dead. So coming on to the iPad. इस iPad में हमें सिर्फ normal LCD display मिलती है. This is not their Super Retina XDR, या basically हमारे पास mini LED display नहीं मिलती है हमें. This is the normal one, but still it is amazing and amazing. Okay, I have already ruined it with the fingerprints, but still it is a massive display. To think कि ये अभी एक छोटा version है and this also has a bigger brother that seriously freaks me out. But still this is not in the 16:9 aspect ratio. Apple जो है 16:10 यूज़ करता है. That is again a really good thing. पीछे हमें जो है एक 12 मेगापिक्सल मेन कैमरा मिलता है and 10 मेगापिक्सल जो है हमें अल्ट्रा वाइड मिलता है with a LiDAR sensor as well. इसके माइक्रोफोन्स अच्छे होने वाले हैं. Even the speaker setup is a quad speaker setup, which is again good. We have a Type C port here. So we have a Type C port over here. यहाँ पर speaker आप देख सकते हो, and यहाँ पर हमें जो है Apple Pencil को charge करने के लिए port मिलता है. These are the volume rockers and the iconic power button is above here. यहाँ पर फिर हमें speakers हैं. No headphone jack. बट आई डोंट ब्लेम एप्पल क्योंकि एप्पल कभी भी आपको देने वाला नहीं है. वी ऑल्सो हैव द सेंटर स्टेज ऑप्शन देयर और आपको यहाँ फेस आईडी भी मिलती है. एंड डेफिनेटली दैट्स अ गुड टच. और यहाँ पर काफ़ी स्लिम फेस आईडी है. आई वुड नॉट से कि टैबलेट्स के हिसाब से आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू ओके, बट इट लुक्स गुड. और यहाँ पर आपको पीछे अटैचमेंट भी मिलती है इफ़ यू वांट टू अटैच द कीबोर्ड. सो लेट्स बूट दिस अप फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. So in terms of the specs, this has the monstrous M1 chip, which I seriously think कि इस टैब के लिए overkill है, but still we have the horsepower कि this is going to be one of the most powerful device that I own as of now. क्योंकि M1 chip is a true monster. Again, so इसमें M1 chip है वो already मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ. And this has a liquid retina IPS display which has a resolution of 2388 by 1668. That's a weird one but still it is crisp enough कि आपको कोई pixelation वगैरह नहीं दिखने वाली है. And especially that it has a good battery life. और M1 जो है वो 5 nanometer पे है and it is so powerful. I cannot say this is a computer but it's not even less than that. So for that I really give credit to Apple कि Apple जो है बहुत ही बढ़िया performance provide करता है. And for the price you are paying, I don't think so Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 भी इसके आगे कुछ होने वाला है. So इसमें 8 कोर का GPU है, 8 कोर का ही CPU है. This has a full fat M1. 7 कोर वाला GPU नहीं है इसमें, जो कि Mac Mini के बेस मॉडल में आता है. I cannot believe कि this has like more horsepower than a proper like a desktop setup. And according to that इसमें 8GB of RAM है, 128GB स्टोरेज है. That's a good thing कि अब बेस मॉडल जो है कम से कम 128GB के साथ आता है. And definitely that's again it is required क्योंकि इसमें कोई micro SD कार्ड नहीं है जैसे Samsung के नए वाले सीरीज में है, टैब सीरीज में. And other than that it has all the best connectivity you can get. It can shoot I guess 4K as well. Yeah, it can shoot 4K 60 FPS but I don't think so anyone is going to like carry this behemoth with them. For the weight it has a good amount of weight. Like it is not that you are going to feel it like it's wobbly or something. और weight balance काफ़ी अच्छा किया हुआ है. It feels dense and we have already seen jerry rig everything, so no, I am not gonna like put much force on it. But still this is this has ProMotion, so 120Hz हमारे पास display already है. And again coming on to this Type-C port, this is not just a Type-C port, it is a proper Thunderbolt 4 port. So आप कुछ भी connect कर सकते हैं. And I am so happy that I can use my regular Type-C cable or I can use this my go-to device. एक जो Samsung की T7 है, this will run at the full speed क्योंकि USB 4 पोर्ट है वो and it can go back to USB 3.1 Gen 2. Definitely this is going to be insane for me that I can like transfer files and everything without even caring what ecosystem I'm in, which is again thanks to Apple including the Thunderbolt 4 port. Just to give you an idea कि ये कितना powerful है, that this can support a full 6K Pro display XDR, Apple's full fat display, cinematic display, and that just boggles my mind so much कि how much power am I carrying in just a small tablet. And especially I have just switched to Apple Music, so definitely this is again a very good thing for me कि मेरा सारा जितने बोलते हैं music and everything it's already there. And again it is a different thing कि Apple Music आप Apple device में use कर रहे हो या आप किसी और में use कर रहे हो. The music quality of these speakers, just the first go, it is amazing. I will also attach the screenshots of the scores of the like Geekbench or the 3D Mark if I run it. Let me just try Face ID as well and it's unlocked. And again ये tablet जो है जिस दिन से release हुआ था, I was so badly in love with this tablet कि ये tablet मैं buy करना चाहता था. And finally I've got that option and I bought it like without even like thinking about it. Just कि जो Galaxy Tab S8 Plus उसमें OLED display थी 120Hz, that was making me dicey. Other than that, I was pretty sure I was going to buy the iPad Pro. So guys, that was it for this video. This was again a very like a big thing for me to buy this iPad because I was trying so hard to buy this and everything. And again, this is as I told you, this is again I am so excited as my Galaxy Z Flip 3. So definitely this ranks quite high in my like level of tech, and definitely I will use it and provide you my feedback on this, how much I love it. I will be loving it, but on the level how much of craziness I build up for this device, that will be the thing that we'll be seeing. So guys, that was it for this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, please make sure to like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel. This has been Beast from Geek, guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.